Ever had someone ring the doorbell when your house looks like real life just exploded? Laundry on the chair, instant pot steam still hanging in the air, and the toys are just everywhere? We've all been there. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to say, come on in without the stress. There's a mindset shift that completely changes how those moments feel, and it has nothing to do with cleaning. That panic we feel, it's about what we think hosting is supposed to look like. It comes from thinking our home has to look ready before people are welcome. Once you remember this, everything else in this video gets easier. So first, let's take the pressure off. People came to see you, not your perfectly staged living room. Seriously, everyone has a load of laundry waiting to be folded, and it's okay if yours is sitting out when someone drops by. Don't hide your real life. Let it be a part of the welcome. This is usually where we tell ourselves we have to do all the things, when really, we just have to do one or two. If you get even 60 seconds of warning, do a quick micro reset. Scoop the visible clutter into a basket, fluff the pillows, wipe down the table, turn on a lamp, tackle the worst mess first. The biggest visual wins make the biggest difference. And of course, there's the other part of real life, the smells. Okay, real life comes with real smells, and not all of them are guest friendly. I cook in my Instant Pot a lot, and when you pop that lid, the steam can make the whole house smell kinda interesting. Unless it's apples and cinnamon. So I keep a Mrs. Meyer's spray in the kitchen for a quick spritz. It instantly resets the room and masks those not so welcoming scents. And then there's that moment when you realize you don't have any food for company at all, and you glance at the pantry and hope for the best. This is usually when I remind myself that I don't need a full spread to be hospitable. What helps me in those moments is just keeping a few simple things on hand. I like to keep a little stash of shelf-stable snacks on hand. Crackers, a block of hard cheese, nuts, jam, nothing fancy. If someone pops in, you can just put one or two things out and instantly feel prepared and gracious. And if you're someone who loves a homemade touch, then this is an easy place to add it. Every now and then, I'll bake a batch of muffins or scones and just freeze them. They thaw beautifully and make last-minute hosting feel extra warm without any of the extra work in the moment. Now let's talk about comfort cues. These are the things that people actually remember. Turn on some soft music, offer a cozy throw blanket, and always offer a drink, even if it's just ice water. Those tiny touches tell people, I'm so glad you're here. Some days, I really don't have anything ready at all, and you might not either. And that's when this one small gesture matters the most. When guests walk in, your energy sets the tone. Smile, make eye contact, and say something warm like, how are you? Those first 10 seconds matter more than anything you did or didn't do with your house. By the way, I'd love to hear your own drop-by hospitality ideas. Share your favorite quick trick in the comments, and we can all learn from each other. Drop-by hospitality doesn't have to be stressful. Some of the best connections and most meaningful moments happen in the imperfect, everyday moments. Next, I'll show you the pantry staples that make last-minute hosting effortless.